So working capital operating cycle. So first you see money always circulating or evolving from cash to current assets again to cash. So simple. This is the cycle, operating cycle. So operating cycle is the average between acquisition of raw material and final cash realization. You're buying raw material, you're converting that into product, you're selling that product, and again you're getting cash. So this cycle is going to be called as the working capital operating cycle. So portion of enterprise total capital which is employed in its short-term operations. So assessment of working capital. So total working capital required equal to total operating expenses in the last year by number of operating cycles in a year. So if you have only one operating cycles in a year, the working capital will be equal to the total operating expenses in the last year. So last year how much I spent, this year how much I need. So depending on the number of operating cycles, if they have more number of operating cycles in a year, then the working capital required will be very very less because you're going to divide it by the number of operating cycles. So see here you have cash, you are going to, with that cash you are going to buy the raw material. With that raw material you are going to do semi-finished goods. From semi-finished goods you are going to convert it to finished goods. You are going to sell these finished goods, and you are going to bill them for cash, and the final cash is again used for the raw material. So this cycle is going to, the cycle will, the cycle will actually keep on continuing till your company is there. So it will be keeping on continuing because this is going to be the cycle for cash to cash. From cash, the cash is invested and the cash again got back. So from cash you purchase raw materials. From raw materials you purchase semi-finished goods, finished goods, bills receivable. Again you are going to convert it into cash. So this is going to be the capital operating cycle principle. Okay, capital operating cycle principle.